Brian again with Beast Ride. So say you've cleaned out your washing machine, it still has a smell. You've used vinegar, you've used baking soda like in my other video. You cleaned out the fabric softener, but it still has a smell. Well, it may not be inside the washing machine. It may be something close to the washing machine. One thing you always want to do, remember to take, when you're done with washing clothes, open the lid to let it air out. That's something you do after each load. One thing it may be is something next to the washing machine. Come look over here. Kind of smell in this area. With the lid closed, you can kind of differentiate. You may smell the odor actually coming from this area. And the reason for that is you've got your hot water supply or cold water supply. But if you're not doing laundry very often, say you do laundry once a week or even less, who knows? The water from this drain hose here, this is the drain hose, it goes down into tubing. It's a long tube that goes down and ends in a P-trap. So the water with the P-trap may be sitting there for a week, getting old and mildewy, and that could be a problem. That could be where you're getting your smell from. So what you can do, just grab a cup, or you could use a lid from laundry detergent, get some bleach. Go ahead and just fill this cup up with bleach. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the cup, say you filled this up with bleach, and you're going to pour this down this hole here. You can take this out, but you can also pour it onto the hose if the hose may have gotten any mold or issues on it. You can pour it on the hose kind of right near the opening here, right in this little opening. You can kind of push it aside and just pour the cup of bleach down. Put it down the P-trap, let it sit for a little bit, then run a hot load after that. And that can take care of the smell as well. And again, just after the hot load, just remember to leave this open so nothing starts growing in here. Go ahead and check out this other vid about how to clean inside the washer if you haven't done that yet, and make sure that you don't get smells from inside the washer.